Hello.
Oh, hi.
Good.
Nancy, nakadlalargo, no?
Yeah.
It's not the plain thing.
Yeah, it's so weird. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, no, it's really weird.
Where did you saw it?
Just now, when I came out, so I was about to get an Amazon
Oh,
delivery.
really you noticed it.
Hey?
This is so, I don't know how to
Yeah. Ingna ba siya? No, look up.
yeah, look up. What can you
Let's look
say?
up. This cloud's a bit weird.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's like,
I'm
what
filming
is
it
that?
now.
It's really weird.
And then it's so long.
Yeah.
Clouds formation, I don't know.
Is that a plain thingy? I don't think so. It's weird, really.
Yeah.
Oh, oh yeah. Very long.
Yeah.
It's really weird.
And
Oh,
the, and the question is, how did it form?
I got no idea.
It's not plain.
I don't think it's a plain thingy something.
It's some kind of
I don't think so.
weird formation of clouds. I don't know. There's nothing in there.
Excuse me, baby.
But see, I don't know what it is. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya naging ganyan, yung formation ng clouds. Hindi naman ano yan eh, hindi naman galing sa di ba pag dumadaan yung minsan eroplano sa taas ng dadaan siya sa clouds, nagkakaroon siya ng bakas pero hindi eroplano to. It's so weird. Ang haba. Kaya binidyohan ko. Comment nga kayo kung anong yan. Anong is this kind of extraterrestrial thingy or I don't know.
It's just probably.
Cloud formation, right?
Probably. No, the people don't really think.
But it's so no, see over there. Do you think it's because of the weather?
I don't know.
Cold weather?
Oh, this. Can you pass a little white?
Baka na tempo ba? Prio. Pero been weird, no?
It's really weird.
Walang tao, kapitbahay. Ganito kasaya dito. Ang tahimik ng kapaligiran. Walang tao. Sa labas. Lahat ng mga bahay nakasara. Yeah. Pero el dimo question tabong kali o. Porque le pakilala kidaan sina.
Probably a plane.
No, I don't think it's a plane. Been powerful gat el been strong gat el plane niya pa sa alien form gat the clouds in na klase. I don't think so.
Who knows?
I don't think so. It's so big, see?
I know.
Can somebody tell me what's this? Malay mo, baka may idea yung mga ibang tao na alam nila kung ano to. Hindi rin to cotton candy kasi cotton candy, pink yun eh. White to. Cotton, bulak. Bulak to. Kung ang bulak sa English ay cotton, ano naman ang bulaklak? Kotonton.
Oh, that's weird.
Weird, no? Doon nga, ala parte gani unway, oh. Oh, limpyo wat, oh. Oh, unway, oh. Ala parte, unway, oh.
The side sa iyang kanuro may color.
Nande.
Ang side
And tan discoloration na white kasi dol.
hawa na.
Yeah. Tan discolorate ya white kasi.
Is it a plane?
No, it is not.
Probably, but I just would like to think.
Kaya mira to ala parte, oh. Oh, ala parte to mira, oh. See? See? Pro klase, oh. Dol akal ba dol yan design jud ba? As if it was made intentionally, I don't know. O taka ba tan fade ya, oh. Nawawala na, oh. Well, we don't know. What's that? Did you tell Jana? Oh, she's still sleeping? Ala gani noy, oh. Ala party, oh, wala gani di utud to, wala gani, oh. Oh. Okay. That one there. So weird. Anda, oh, mira daw ta. Mira daw kabar to si Ansina lang yung aeroplano de jutay cover pasali. Ano eh? Hindi klaro aeroplano kyo. Oh, yun oh. May dumadaan na aeroplano. Tingnan nyo. Kung aeroplano yung dumaan kanina, sobrang laki ng ano, ng ginulo niyang clouds. Di ba?
So weird, yeah.
Oh, it is not airplane.
Ang plane maliit lang.
Oh, maliit lang yung plane eh.
Couldn't do that much speed.
Ewan ko lang. Kaya na maghusga. Oh, nawala na yung aeroplano.
No.
Okay. Time to say bye-bye. At least nakita namin 'to yung clouds formation na so weird. Hindi ko alam. It's not normal. Pupunta pa ako hanggang doon. Oh, doon banda wala na. Pero okay na yan. Bye-bye.